A data leak has reportedly exposed the personal information of more than 3,000 Ring doorbell users. It's getting worse for Ring out there, right? According to BuzzFeed News, more than 3,600 owners of Ring doorbells had their login information, names, emails, passwords, time zones, and camera locations breached. In an email to customers, the company said the information was most likely leaked because of credentials that were stolen in separate data breaches. Ring officials say they have notified the customers whose accounts may have been exposed, and they encourage them to change their passwords.